Hey guys, so we just got back from Miatas at the Gap this weekend. Just got the trailer unloaded and I'm going through all the footage and it's gonna be a while. This is gonna be a really good episode, but it's gonna take a while to put it together. In the meantime, I wanted to offer my drone footage for anybody that might need it. I know there was tons of content creators out there this weekend, and if you didn't quite get the shot that you wanted, take mine. I'm gonna go ahead and post it, and it's kind of uncut, and I'm also kind of a shitty pilot. So, you know, if you find any of it useful, feel free to use whatever YouTube video downloader pirating thing you like to use. Use it in your own edits as you like. Credit is cool, but subscribing's even cooler, and you're gonna wanna check our footage when it gets put together. So yeah, here's some rough drone footage for you. And otherwise, thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, it's my own damn fault that I've fallen for you. We haven't even talked, still I'm obsessed with you. Was it your milky eyes or your skin? I don't know. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause I'm never letting you go. I know it's gonna take some time, but I will make you mine. I'll go the extra mile. I'll do what needs to be done until the race is won. I'll go the extra mile. If you don't love me now, you will love me later. Oh, we don't need to rush, 'cause I got forever. What is meant to be is gonna be. It's you and me, that's what I believe. I won't give up, I'll keep it up